Robot Jones. Robot Jones.
That was definitely the best. It's really cool. Yeah, it was so like Cube Wars.
That's amazing! Today on That's Amazing, Yogi Kustogi attempts to set a new world record by stuffing himself into this tiny glass box. But first, there's a new video game craze sweeping the nation. Dot Man! Mike Kupanek is the self-declared world's best Dot Man player. But we've got 5 challengers that are ready to go head-to-head. The Dot Man World Championship. Next on... That's Amazing!
Humans are strange. They enjoy competing to see who is better. Isn't that silly, dear?
Ridiculous, ridiculous, ridiculous.
After all, I am exactly as efficient as any other JUN-77. And you, dear, are essentially interchangeable with any other KC-213 unit.
Wrong unit. Am I interchangeable?
Oh, no, little robot. You are an experimental prototype, and therefore unique. However, you can help us collect more data on competition. Engage in competition with the humans and present us with your final analysis.
So, Robot, what do you want to do today?
I want to compete.
At what?
Hey, check out what that kid's got. Wow, what is that? Look at that. Behold, I give you the Wonder Cube. Oh. In its original state, every side is one solid color, but a few quick turns, and it's totally jumbled up. No! Oh, please make it right again. Aha, and that is the Wonder Cube's challenge to you. Oh, wow, this is so much fun! Wonder Cube! Wonder Cube! Wonder Cube!
What do you make of it, Robot?
The solution is simple.
Oh, yeah? Well, why don't you solve it then?
No, my assignment is to study human competition. I will not waste my time on this simple toy. Nor, I think, will anybody else.
Hey, I solved the side! I solved the side!
Pickled crackers, slap, chop it, frugal as a burrito.
Hot boys, cool cubes.
So, Cubie, how fast can you solve it?
Mitch, for me it's really not about speed. I'm more of a precision cuber.
Bah, only a stupid human would play with such a pathetic gadget. Oops. Bite my tongue.
Oh, crud. Here, you're a robot. You do it.
Okay, Shannon, I will solve it. For you, anything. It is solved.
That's amazing. Hey, everybody. The robot just solved the cube in how long?
4.0495.
4 seconds! That's the best time ever! Yeah! Well done! You must be the fastest Wonder Cuber in the world!
Hello, class. Well, what's that you're playing with there, kid?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing.
Aw, please, Mr. Mick. Don't take our cubes away. We just got them.
Oh, I don't want your cubes, kids, 'cause I've already got one. Plus, I've got some amazing news. This Friday is a competition to find the fastest cuber in the school. And the winner goes on to the World Championship, broadcast live on That's Amazing.
That's amazing! Hey, here's your chance to compete, Robot!
Well, how convenient. Here is an excellent opportunity to study human competition and to further impress Shannon. I will do it.
Time? 1 minute, 42 seconds. Sasquatch! Well, at least you're the second fastest.
I don't want to be the second fastest. I want to win.
Ew, eat a breath mint. Come on. There's no way you
could beat Robot in the competition. He's too fast.
Tell me something I don't know, brother.
Well, there's one way.
You mean
Precisely.
cheating?
Wonder Cube. Millions of permutations. Yet, in a finite sequence of turns, a solution may be found. But swap 2 stickers, and a cube is created that can never be solved, even by Robot Jones.
My brother. Can you even know how much I love you at this precise moment? Now, here's what we'll do. Tomorrow at the competition, there's going to be a subtle little substitution.
All right, it's down to the final 4 cubers. Can we have the cubes, please?
Hey, look at me! I'm doing things! Crazy, jumping up and down! Look, look, look! Keep looking! Crazy, crazy! Watch me jumping!
Oh, Denny, you're funny.
Okay, first one to solve the cube wins the competition. Ready? Go!
Go, Robot!
There, I am done. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind.
What? Did he solve it or not? What's going on?
False alarm. Continue cubing, and contestants will kindly refrain from speaking until they are sure they've solved their cube.
But it should be.
You can do it, Robot! Keep trying!
Oh, Robot. Looks like my cube is almost completed. So much for your precious cube club. Today, the honor will be ours.
I'll help you, Robot!
And they say cheaters never win.
Zombies, Robot, you're messed up good. They call me Cubie, and that's cool. But what do they call me if I can't do this?
Gooby, Ooby.
Stupid idiot loser! Oh, I've got to solve Robot in time for him to beat the Augments! Too difficult! Can't solve!
I'll help you, Cubie! Us cubers gotta stick together.
Hey, look! It takes 2 of those cube objects to solve a cube. Okay, Robot, get ready to be Precision Cube. Getting there, I think.
Almost there. Completed.
Hello, everybody!
What is it, Robot?
I'm Cubic, the amazing Rube. Your solving me has brought me to life.
Far out!
So come with me to the land of Cube, where everyone named Robot Jones is a winner.
Heck, Robot, let's go!
Got to keep on cubing. 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 Cube your cares away. I'm gonna get cubing now. Gotta keep on cubing.
Help me, Robot!
Keep on cubing.
Shannon,
Help me! Help me, Robot! 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 I think I fixed his eyes. Now turn his mouse leftwise.
Leftwise? Precision cubing. Huh.
Robot! Robot, speak to me!
gotta keep on cubing. Gotta keep on cubing.
Here, Robot, solve my cube.
He did it! Time! Time!
Everybody. Oh, yes. And at an official time of 4 hours, 29 minutes, and 52 seconds, poor Robot Jones has come in last place in the cube competition.
Last place.
Lost.
Last place.
Yes, those Yogman brothers won hours ago. Oh, I almost forgot. You still get a ribbon for trying. Bravo, Mr. Jones.
Hey, folks! Welcome to another episode of That's Amazing!
Attention, robot. My memory banks have just reminded me of your study of competition. Please relay your data compiled about competition.
Negative. Competition is illogical and extremely hazardous for machines.
Oh, really? No data log entries or any?
No, please, Mom Unit. I am trying to watch this.
Interesting.
And tonight on That's Amazing, we've got Robo Wrestling. These two machines will compete to see who will be the ultimate...
But, robot, those machines are competing.
Too hazardous and illogical.
But first, we have the winners of the East Coast Wonder Cube Cube-Off, Lenny and Denny Yogman.
That's Yogman, you twit. Hello, America. We'd just like to say hello to our good friend Robot Jones, a real dork loser.
Brooklyn.
Got this really bad tongue virus and I had to scrape it off. Sickness.
Attention all students! Report to the gym and get your mandatory flu shot!
Ow.
Behind the line, germ bag!
Hey! Steady.
What's the hold-up, Nurse Newcomb? Of course, Robot Jones! Now enough of this nonsense. Take your shot like a man!
I do not need your insignificant flu shot.
Insignificant? Do you know what a flu germ is, boy?
Affirmative. Flu germ. Noun. See influenza.
Wrong! Flu germs are marauding pirates, sailing the seas in search of healthy bodies to ravish, causing a healthy body to become sick. But with healthy foods and proper exercise and flu shots, we can stamp out these germs. So take the flu shot and save me from the pirates.
Oh, silly principal.
Math class.
All right, class, clam up. Class, let me introduce our new computer science teacher, Mr. Mitchell.
Hello, people! Welcome to the wonderful world of computers! Did you know computers are all around you?
Huh? Where?
Who here likes video games?
What? Video games.
I thought so! Well, by knowing a thing or two about computers and using binary language, I've been able to program my own video games!
Wow!
Gather round! Check them out! There's ping pong!
Yeah!
Hockey!
Cool!
Soccer!
Boss!
This is boring. Time for a little sleep mode.
And that class is just the beginning, as this film will show. Young man, could you get the lights?
Sure. It seems, dear brother, that Mr. Mitchell has provided us with a unique situation. Get the disc.
The future and you. When you look at a modern appliance, what do you think of?
Make me proud, my precious.
And remember, the future is up to you.
Lights! You see, class, all of these future technologies will need to be programmed, which we will learn how to do on the trusty Pachyderm 2000! How? Packy! What's wrong? What is it, baby? What's this? There's something in the disk drive. This disk has given my computer a virus! Be gone, vile infector! Systems test! 1 plus 1 equals... Come on! Relax. Just add the numbers. You can do it! 1 plus 1 equals... 3? 3? No!
a success.
My precious.
Operation Sick is ready to go.
Robot won't even know what hit him.
Fortune continues to smile upon us, brother. Robot Jones appears to be in sleep mode.
Eat my disc, Robot.
Strange. My sleep mode seems to have exhausted me.
Soon, all of Robot Jones's systems will malfunction, and the Yogman twins will be there to help him out.
Yeah, and then we'll reprogram him and make him a robot slave. English!
Gesundheit?
Peculiar. I.
Dude, are you sneezing?
Negative. My system is spontaneously rebooting.
Maybe you got the flu.
Impossible.
Well, maybe you caught that virus from Mr. Mitchell's computer.
No way, Jose. We never had interface.
Keep it down and finish your poems.
Roses vibrate in the electromagnetic spectrum as red. Violets vibrate along the...
Man, it's hot in here. Whoa! Robot, you're burning up!
Yes, I feel a tad warm. Perhaps I do have a virus.
Robot Jones!
Well, Robot Jones in my office yet again. Now explain to me why it is you set a fire in my school?
I apologize, Principal Madman. I did not mean to. I think I have come down with a virus.
A virus? I thought you said that you were immune to the flu.
I am immune to your fecal flu germ, but I have the much more serious computer virus.
Is it contagious?
Actually...
Robot? I'm infected! Robot, come back! Is there a cure? Oh no! It's worse than I thought. The computer virus is spreading. I've got to warn the masses. Attention, all students. This is Principal Madman. Avoid Robot Jones at all costs. He has a computer virus.
You're right. Robot does have a computer virus.
We gotta help the little dude.
Let's get Mr. Mitchell. He'll know what to do.
Good one.
I repeat, Robot Jones has a computer virus. Avoid him at all costs. Save yourselves.
Don't leave me. Help.
Oh, sweet fluorescent lights. Only now do I understand your sad song. You are like they, like I soon will be. A machine with no free will. You have no say about when you shine. Always someone else turning you on and on and on. Already I'm feeling the effects. I've organized my desk and balanced my checkbook more efficiently than before. Maybe there are some advantages in being a robot. In fact, if I were a robot, I could upgrade myself and become a super robot principal. Sweet fluorescent lights, your song is not a sad song. 'Tis the ballad of victory!
Mr. Mitchell!
All right. One more test. 1 + 1 = 2! You did it, baby! You did it!
Mr. Mitchell?
Great news, kids! I fixed the computer!
Great! Now you gotta fix Robot Jones. He got the computer virus.
Let's save Robot Jones!
Yeah!
Meanwhile...
Please don't run. Help me. Systems malfunctioning at an accelerated rate. soon I will shut down completely.
Hello, friend. Need a hand?
Oh, no. Not the Yagman twins. What mean things are you going to do to me?
You got us all wrong, pal. We heard you were sick. And we just wanted to help a friend.
I have a computer virus.
You don't say. Well, what are we waiting for? Denny, get disc 2. And you, robot, remove your breastplate.
There you go.
Not so fast, kids. Step aside and let me take a peek-see. Yep, there it is. The infected disc. Property of the Yogmans. You Yogmans have a lot of Hey!
Buffoons! You'll never be able to stop the Yagman twins.
Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, boop. Robot Principal has detected hall intruders.
Run for it! Ow!
Ouch! My ear!
Let me see your hall pass. Let me see your hall pass. Let me see your hall pass.
Principal Man, what are you wearing?
Ever since Robot Jones gave me the computer virus, I decided to accept my fate and become a superior robot principal. Beep boop.
There's some kind of misunderstanding. Robot Jones can't give humans a computer virus.
Oh?
But the Yogmans are responsible for giving the school computer and Robot Jones a virus.
Well, it looks like the Yogmans need to be quarantined in detention.
Now let's fix up Robot Jones.
Data log entry. Both humans and robots can be invaded by foreign material that can damage their normal operations. But as long as you have good friends to take care of you, everything will be alright. Then again, some humans are sick in a way that cannot be cured. Entry concluded.
Got to keep on cubing.
Gotta keep on cubing.
Gotta keep on cubing.
Gotta keep on cubing.
Got to keep on cubing. Got to keep on cubing. Got to keep on cubing. Got to keep on cubing. Got to keep on cubing. Cube your cares away. Come on and get cubing now.